Consider a world where robots handle repetitive tasks, freeing up humans to do more creative, challenging work. Welcome to the world of robotic process automation. Defined as a technology application governed by business logic and structured inputs, RPA aims at automating business processes. By configuring software or robots, companies can capture and interpret applications for processing transactions, manipulating data, triggering responses, and communicating with other digital systems. So we have now established that robotic process automation is a game changer. But how does it work in the real world? It's time to delve into some real-world examples of robotic process automation. Let's start with the banking sector. Here, RPA is a game changer. It takes on mundane tasks such as loan application processing, customer onboarding, and even fraud detection. By automating these processes, banks can save time, reduce errors, and improve customer service. Next, let's look at the retail industry. RPA shines in tasks like inventory management and invoice processing. It helps stores keep up with the fast-paced nature of retail, ensuring shelves are stocked and payments are processed efficiently. And let's not forget about the healthcare sector. RPA assists with patient scheduling and billing, reducing the administrative burden on healthcare professionals and allowing them to focus more on patient care. The beauty of RPA is its versatility. From banking to retail, healthcare, and beyond, it's taking over repetitive tasks and leaving room for innovation and creativity. These examples illustrate the diverse applications of robotic process automation across sectors. It's clear that RPA is revolutionizing the way we do business. Before we conclude, let's quickly summarize the key points about robotic process automation. RPA is a game-changing technology that automates repetitive tasks, liberating human workers to concentrate on more intricate jobs. This transformative tech isn't industry-specific. From banking to healthcare, it's streamlining operations and ramping up efficiency. Remember, RPA isn't just about bots doing the heavy lifting, it's about reshaping the way we work. In a nutshell, robotic process automation is the future of work, providing a more efficient, accurate, and cost-effective way to do business.